I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You are starting right now? Unplug the console and move it to a flat, static-free workspace. Once done, remove the rubber feet and set them aside. Underneath are hidden screws you must remove. Use a T8/T9 Torx driver for the visible and recess screws, then switch to a small Phillips if needed. Take your time and keep screws organized in order. You're doing this to access the clips safely, so make sure tools fit snugly, and you won't strip heads as you begin. Now that screws are out, you'll deal with the internal clips. This is the delicate middle stage. Start at the front seam and insert a plastic spudger. Gently pry a small gap, then work the spudger along the side to release successive clips. Once one section gives, move methodically along the edge, left to right, so tension distributes evenly. If a clip resists, stop and find the next gap rather than forcing it. This prevents broken tabs. Keep breath steady. Patience here preserves the cover and internal parts. With clips released, lift the top cover straight up and away. Do this slowly because ribbon cables may catch near ports. If you feel resistance, lower it and recheck for any missed screws or clips. Set the cover on a soft surface, then proceed with any interior work. When you reassemble, reverse the steps. Align tabs, snap clips in sequence, and reinstall screws. If something won't seat, don't force. Reinspect fasteners and use even pressure. Tip: if a clip breaks, a small dab of super glue can secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.